So today on Floors by Southern Boys, we're going to be, I'm going to show you how to prep your floor. We got a couple steps there, and this long hallway is rounded, and it's a long L-shaped hallway. And I'm going to show you how to prep your floor out for a floating floor, for a glue-down hardwood, or whatever you would decide to put down. The process is all the same. So if you have a wood subfloor and want to install some laminate, some of the LVP click, or any kind of wood floor besides a glue down, this is going to show you how to prep your floor out so you can get good results. So I'm going to skip the carpet demo process because I've already got a video on how to demo carpet and pad, and I'll leave a little teaser clip to that video right here. Okay, so we got the baseboards took off and all that kind of stuff. So the floor scraped, and everything that was up is now knocked down level. Now the only thing left to do, actually there's another step after this, but we want to hit these seams in the plywood. You can see this is raised up a little bit right there, and see that? It's raised up, and anything that I circled, like this whole run right here of screws is sticking up, I'm just going to, as fast as I can, so I don't dust up too much, I'm going to do this as fast as I can to hit all these seams real quick, make everything nice and level so that the floor is as good as possible before we start our install on the wood. Okay, so this right here is a Clark American Sander Super Dash 7R, and it's actually called an edger, and I purchased this from Home Depot. After they've had their stuff for rent for so long, you can purchase them. They'll put them out for sale. If you ever go to the rental department, and right there as you walk into the rental department, they'll have different tools sitting there, and those are for sale. And this is a $1,500 piece of equipment that I was able to get for like 800 bucks. So it's a real good deal if you can find stuff there whenever you need them. You can, you know, they're well maintained and everything because they service them and keep them up throughout their rental life. But anyway, if you don't have one of these, you can easily use a belt sander or just a palm sander, but that would take a while. So I would recommend these. You can rent for like 50 bucks at Home Depot. If you don't want to do that and you have a belt sander, just put you a nice 60 grit, something that's pretty heavy, something real coarse. I think these pads that I got on the bottom here, I actually think those are like 32 grit, so it's going to eat really fast. It's really coarse right there, so it's going to eat it up really fast and take these, knock the edges off these screws that was getting hit with the scraper. So I'm going to do this real fast, and then we'll be good. We'll cut the door jambs, and that'll be it. Okay, so you can see the difference here, what it's getting already. It just eats it right down. So just a little demonstration there on what you need to get it to look like. Looks like this. Yeah, that's good enough. Anyway, I'm going to carry on. Go ahead and get the rest of this. All these joints seamed. All the seams sanded, and then we'll be good to go, ready to cut some door jambs, and that will be it. We'll clean it up one more time and be ready to go. Okay, so the last thing that we got to do now is cut our door jambs, and we'll be ready to sweep it up for the last time and install some wood. So what I like to do is just hold my board flat on the floor right there, and I don't even need to go this far, because whenever I work my carpet, I want it to be, just between here and there, typically right here. So I probably will actually go right there just a little bit too. So let me get about maybe that much right there. I'll cut that, and then I'll take a screwdriver and I'll show you how to make that a straight off cut right there. So I'm using a little I don't even know what you call these things, but anyway, they're little awesome tools for so many different things. So I'm going to get my door jamb cut, and then we'll clean it out and see how it looks. Okay, get that pulled out of there. Okay, so I'm going to take my chisel and put it right there where I finished my cut. I'm going to try to tap it down at an angle there. There we go. Okay. Now that should be just fine. Get a bunch of that stuff out of the way and we'll see how my board fits. Okay, and we're going to end up with a finished look like that. And that is what we're striving for. So, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of these door jambs, sweep it up, and we'll be ready to go. And that's it. That's the whole process of getting the floor ready on wood subfloor. If you want to do LVT click or LVP click, laminate, any kind of floating floor, or a glue down wood floor such as I'm fixing to do right here, this is it. And if you go through these steps, you're not going to have any issues and you're going to have some wonderful results. So once again, I want to thank you guys for watching.